Normally closed, air-operated needle valve repair instructions. Start by applying the required air pressure to the bottom air port on the actuator housing to open the valve. The indicator screw should be in the up position when air is applied and the valve is open. With air applied to the valve, untorque the packing gland from the body. With air still applied to the valve, remove the valve body from the packing gland. Release the air pressure once the body is removed to expose the upper stem pocket. Now we can replace the lower stem and reinstall the new body. If the grease is washed out of the upper stem pocket, it is recommended to reapply Molelit anti-seize compound or an equivalent to the upper stem pocket before inserting the new lower stem. Insert the new stem into the upper stem pocket. Apply a thin layer of Crystolube MCG 111 lubricant or equivalent to the lower stem. Also, apply a thin layer to the bore of the valve body. Apply the required air pressure to the bottom air port of the actuator housing. You can see that the stem then moves to the open position. Reinstall the new body, hand tight, on the packing gland. With air pressure still applied to the actuator and the stem in the open position, torque the packing gland to the manufacturer's specified torque value.